Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to all in Shabab Fahad International School. Today in science in grade 6, we will talk about mass and weight. Today's objectives are students will be able to know difference between mass and weight, measuring mass and weight, units of mass and weight, and assessment. First of all, we will discuss difference between mass and weight. Mass, it is a measure of the number of atoms or amount of matter in an object, while weight is, it is a force exerted by an object of fixed mass due to gravity. Gravity is different on different planets. Like the gravity on Earth is different than gravity of Moon. It is constant for a body and does not change with a place. It is not constant for a body, but it changes from place to place. Mass measured using a beam balance, weight measured using a spring balance. Mass, its system international unit is kilogram. We use kg. Its system international unit is Newton, N, and kilogram also. Kilogram force, kgf. Kilogram force 1 is equal to 9.8 newtons. So the basic difference between mass and weight is mass defines the amount of matter in the object, while weight defines the amount of force exerted by the gravitational force on the object. Okay, comparing mass and weight and how they are affected by a change in gravity. We are talking about Earth, Moon, Jupiter, and the Sun. If the mass is on Earth is 63.5 kilograms, it will be same. It remains same on every planet and in every condition. But the weight changes. On the Earth, weight is 623 newtons, while the same boy on the Moon will be weighted 103 newtons. The same boy on Jupiter, 1582 newtons. The Sun weight will be 17,000 and changes. So one more thing we know that kilogram and Newton. If you multiply kilograms with 10, you will get the power equal to Newton. The weight will be equal to Newtons. Next one, we can weight. We can check the weight. It varies with the different objects. So you can see here how heavy the object is. So if the weight is very light, we use ounce. We have milligrams, we have pound, we have gram, we have ton, and we have kilogram. The basic unit is kilogram for weight. Next, we have assessment. Question number 1. Can you explain what mass is? What unit of measurement is weight measured in? What unit do we use to measure our mass? An object has a mass of 10 kilograms. What is its weight in newtons? At last, I would like to thank Mr. Muhammad Ibrahim, who is our academic supervisor, and Mr. Muhammad Sakr, who is media person for Shabab Fahad International School. Thank you.